Hi, welcome to iPlanTables. We are asked this question quite a bit. How does a digital plan review table improve efficiency? Have you wondered why so many professionals feel frustrated when they are working with outdated display setups for their construction or design plans? Managing heavy documents, small screens, and cumbersome workflows isn't just inconvenient, it's holding your team back. Traditional plan reviews often rely on paper plans, leading to high printing costs, increased errors, and wasted time. Here's one of the problems with traditional offices. Traditional monitors and static desk setups aren't designed for the fast-paced, detail-oriented needs of today's professionals. Shuffling papers, crouching over small displays, or struggling with limited screen space adds unnecessary stress and inefficiency to your daily workflow. That's where iPlanTables changes everything. iPlanTables changes the game with its 10 digital review table models. No more excessive printing or endless scrolling on small monitors. With our large touchscreens, you can zoom in, mark up, and collaborate in real time. At iPlanTables, we believe innovation starts with your workspace. That's why we've engineered solutions that provide sit-stand adjustability, intuitive large 43 to 65-inch multi-touch screens, and seamless software integration with tools like Bluebeam and Procore or any Windows-based programs you use today. Built for durability and performance, our customizable models optimize your workflow, help your team work smarter, and improve overall productivity. One of the standout features of iPlanTables is our advanced palm rejection capabilities paired with an active stylus. When you're working on complex designs or making detailed notes, you need precision and responsiveness you can count on. Our Precision Responsive Enhanced Capacitive Interface System ensures your inputs are accurate and uninterrupted, whether you're drafting plans or collaborating with your team. Say goodbye to accidental marks and hello to flawless workflows. This is where technology meets practicality, delivering the tools you need to excel. Want to see how iPlanTables can transform your workflow? Book a personalized webinar for your team today by visiting our website at iPlanTables.com and clicking the webinar tab. Contact us at info@iPlanTables.com or call 888-836-2727 to learn more. Efficiency is just a table away.